Hi guys. Okay, fidget spinner. Easy, right? Let's try no. This is not gonna be fun. I'm gonna unput it. And Cardmaster. And fidget spinner is my game. No. It's hard.
Interesting that I can do, and the rest of the wobbles can't be here anymore, so I gotta get rid of them. They came for him. Say bye to the wobbles.
I did it! Yay!
I'll have the big, like a big playpen. My room has big pages, quotes that go like this. I have a lot to clean up from the last video. You guys haven't checked it out. I filled up the entire house with wobbles. But I'm not fast, and I figured out a cool thing I could do with the air compressor and the spinner from Chiliad. So I'm running 150 PSI right now, and that's coming to cool pressure too. So that means 150 PSI is going to come out straight into this. And I'm going to throw it at my drink. And Caper just got me. You get going. No, this is not a paid endorsement, DC. Unless it's sponsor my brother for riding the scooter. Then you'll be paid for it. Yeah, what he said. And sponsor me, DC. Okay, let's get it.
So, yeah. Peace out, Girl Scouts.